Hey, welcome for an exciting update on my website. Yes, there actually literally is a mygrowthrings.com finally, after a couple of years of saying it's not really a thing. It's actually a thing. And what the thing is actually something I think you'll find interesting. So please stick around for a minute because there's actually some free access that you want to get a hold of. And then we'll go from there. And the there happens to be changes in the YouTube channel membership. For about 2 years now, we've offered YouTube channel membership. That's something that YouTube allows that folks who want to contribute to a creator's work can do. And about 6 months ago, we started Patreon as well. Well, both of those have now ended. If you have been a member through either of those things, that's been canceled, and you should see a refund from YouTube. If you have been a Patreon member, you've never been charged for it, so you will not be seeing a refund. But what my website is going to be is several interesting things. But let's talk first and foremost about what is not changing. And what is not changing is my YouTube channel. Okay, so what stays the same? Roughly, I'm posting a video a week. Those videos are free. You can watch them anytime you like. Additionally, roughly once a week, there's a follow-up video, a Q&A. Now, those videos really and truly are the property of my channel members. And so after about a week, those Q&A videos become private and are visible only to channel members. Been doing that now for 2 years. So if you're curious about that, I'll tell you more, but just be aware, they're free, right? So you can watch them now as they come out. Just as with Patreon, just as with YouTube membership, there are channel membership levels. So if you want more access or less access, if you want to contribute more or less, including free, you can do that now. And the Q&A videos, those follow-up videos, will remain available to channel members at any paid level. And as it's taken a little bit of work, but I'm going to get those videos, those old ones, uploaded and linked in through the new website. So you'll have access to all of them going back 2 years. It's 109 videos so far and counting. But what will change? Well, what's going to change is, again, no Patreon membership, no YouTube channel membership. My website's finally a real thing. There's levels of membership, if you want to call it that, anywhere from free up to $20 a month. And you might ask yourself, Self, why would I want to contribute to the channel? Well, as someone so I think accurately put it a couple years back, they said, if I subscribe to Wood Magazine or Fine Woodworking Magazine, I'm certainly paying more than $3 a month. And this website, hopefully, this YouTube channel, hopefully, is worth $3 a month to you. So we're just now arriving at mygrowthrings.com, www.mygrowthrings.com. And this is a landing page. This is kind of a promotional page for somebody who might stumble across this and try to figure out what's going on. If you click on this big green button in the center, it just tells you a little bit about, of course, it's prompting you to give me your email address. Feel free to do that. But tells you a little bit about me and what my YouTube channel is all about. These are links to YouTube videos, some of the most popular YouTube videos I've got, and an explanation of where we're headed with this website, including online courses, something that I announced back in my response to John Malecki. But if we go to the very top here, exploring channel membership, and we can do that from any one of these pages. If I click on that, this will show you all the different levels, starting at the very bottom, become a free member. Do at least this much so you can see this experience I'm about to show you. And then beyond that, if you want to contribute, there's an explanation of what happens at each of these levels. Let's go back again. So in the future, you want to come here, you want to check out that experience I was telling you about. You're going to just go to mygrowthrings.com. And you're going to either go to library or you're going to go to login. I'm going to go to my library because I think I am logged in, yes. And everything that I am, well, I don't even know how to describe this. Once there are courses here, you will have purchased a course and those courses remain yours for, I don't even know what the length, the duration of it is. I know Fine Woodworking, who uses the same platform, theirs are for a year. Other people do it for 2 years and so on. But anything that you would have purchased is going to be accessible through here. And technically, you purchased a free membership. So I'm going to click here, and this will take me to that product. And what we're seeing right now, I have my default set up to show me the latest posts that people have posted already, little conversations going on. You can start there. If you are at a level where there is a video meetup, kind of like Zoom, you would find that information right here. And there are challenges from time to time. The challenge I've posted here is post a self-portrait of yourself. Well, that they would be a self-portrait of yourself. And you can see that there are 8 of them here since I last logged in. We can see the members who are already here and the leaderboard, which would be the people who have been the most active on the channel. And then over here, these things called circles. These are the chat areas, and you will only have visibility of the circles that you have access to. So I think it'd be very frustrating to see levels that I can't access. So that is something I could have set up, but I decided not to do that because I think that's cruel. But you can see so far, there are chats set up on just special purpose tools in general. I've also broken it down into a couple of the more common ones. If the heading is in bold, it means that there are things here that are new since I've last looked, and the number indicates the number of chats or responses that have happened since I was here last. Go take a look at the bandsaw. You can see that right now I'm scrolling and it's stopping. So there is literally one post, but 3 comments on that post. And so to see those comments, I can click over where it says 3 comments, and that'll open up the comments that have happened. I can see the sub comments and so on. If there's something here that I like, I can click an emoji, thumbs up. I can name these anything I like. It said like, brilliant. The heart said love. I think I changed that to what? Sweet. Because that makes me happy. So I can either go individually through each of these chats if I like, or I can again go through the latest posts. Now I'm going to log out of this account and I'm going to log in as myself, and I'm going to show you all the levels of chats that are taking place here throughout the site. Let me do that. So now I'm logged in as the real me, and if we look over on the left-hand side, you can see all of the various chats that are here are circles, starting with the public ones. These again are the free ones, and then going up from there. So this is the group that is in at $3 a month, and you can see they've got a couple areas that they're chatting here up the food chain a ways, channel members, and the folks that are here with honors, magna cum laude, as they are called. It's a joke. I'll explain it sometime. Now you'll be able to see under meetups postings of when meetups will take place. So our chairman of the board will be meeting on January 30th, and they will log in and come right here and join the group right here. So instead of having to use Zoom like we have in the past, they'll do it right here on the website. And then once that meeting has taken place, which we did a little bit of a test of it, the video of that will become available here. Now, just so you know, these 2 top tier groups, they meet for the board meetings or the chairman of the board meetings, but the videos of these are available at the level below. So all 3 of these levels have access to the recordings of the sessions. The top 2 have access to the actual meetings. Kind of a weird thing. Again, it's explained in the levels of the website. Now, the next thing I would also tell you to do is once you have become a member at whatever level, go in and modify your profiles. You can do that over in the upper right-hand corner by clicking the down arrow and clicking on My Profile. And here you can change your name. You can click on there and change your picture, and so on and so on. I would encourage you, please, to add your photograph. I'd love for this to just not have these little, balloon animals or whatever they are, the emojis that represent us. Add your own picture there, and you can change it anytime you like. I'm in the process of adding different photos here to represent the different parts of the chat. So again, if we look down here, the scroll saw, there's a picture of the scroll saw, the bandsaw, there's a picture of the bandsaw, and so on. Oh, there's even the Power Pro discussion here. So drop by mygrowthrings.com, become a free member, and I look forward to seeing you there. Make it a great day.